Show that the equation of the pair of the straight lines passing through the origin and making an angle of 30 degrees with the line 3x minus y minus 1 equals to 0 is 13x square minus 12xy minus 3y square equals to 0. Show that the equation of the pair of straight lines passing through the origin and making an angle of 30 degrees with another line 3x minus y minus 1 equals to 0. So what is the equation of pair of straight lines passing through origin? It is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals to 0. Now let us say that these two straight lines separately are given by y minus m1x equals to 0 and y minus m2x equals to 0. Which means the product of them shall represent ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals to 0. So let us multiply y minus m1x and y minus m2x. We will have m1 m2 x square minus of m1 plus m2 into xy plus y square equals to 0. Now the first line and the third line, both of them should represent the same equation. So we can compare the coefficients. Ratio should be equal. So a by m1 m2 should be equals to 2h by minus of m1 plus m2, and that should be equals to b divided by 1. Now from this we can get a relation between m1 and m2. One relation we get is m1 plus m2 equals to minus 2h by b. Another one we get is m1 m2 equals to a by b. Now let us say that the slope of these two lines together, we'll take it as m. M is the slope of one of the line, and another line is given by 3x minus y minus 1 equals to 0, and the angle between them is 30 degrees. Now the formula we are going to use is the angle between two lines in terms of tan is given by tan theta equals to absolute value of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. The slope of 3x minus y minus 1 equals to 0 is given by minus of a by b. If ax plus by plus c equals to 0 is the equation of the straight line, then slope is given by minus a by b, which is minus of 3 divided by minus 1, which is equals to 3. So here m1 equals to m and m2 equals to 3. And we know theta equals to 30 degrees. So why can't we substitute in the formula? Tan theta, tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3 equals to m1 minus m2, m minus 3 divided by 1 plus m1 m2, that is 1 plus 3m. We have absolute value on the right hand side, so let us square it on both sides so that we can remove it. We have 1 by 3 equals to m minus 3 whole square divided by 3m plus 1 whole square. Let us expand them by using the identity. We have 3 into m minus 3 whole square equals to 3m plus 1 whole square, which is equals to 3 into m square minus 6m plus 9 equals to 9m square plus 6m plus 1. Let us simplify this and get it into quadratic equation, and we know the roots of this will be m1 comma m2. Then we already have the relation between m1 plus m2 and m1 m2 in terms of ABH, so we can easily use that and get the equation. So we have 3m square minus 18m plus 27 equals to 9m square plus 6m plus 1. Simplify that, we get 6m square minus plus 24m minus 26 equals to 0. We can divide that by 2. So that we can simplify it, it will become 3m square plus 12m minus 13 equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation in m, and the roots for this will be m1 comma m2, because we have to get two slopes. Two lines, we have pair of straight lines. What will be m1 plus m2? Minus b by a. Minus b by a is equals to minus 12 by 3. What is m1 into m2? That is c by a, that is minus 13 by 3. But we know the equation of the pair of the straight lines passing through the origin. We know that the equation is given by m1 m2 x square minus of m1 plus m2 into xy plus y square. So we can go ahead and substitute these values in that, or you can also substitute in ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. That's another way you can do. m1 m2 is minus 13 by 3 x square minus of m1 plus m2, that is plus 12 by 3 xy plus y square. Let us multiply with minus 3. You will get 13x square minus 12xy minus 3y square equals to 0. Therefore, the equation of pair of straight lines passing through the origin and making an angle of 30 degrees with the line 3x minus y minus 1 equals to 0 is 13x square minus 12xy minus 3y square equals to 0.